At the pull of a slight tug with my fingertips, it's very easy to do. Welcome to my office and craft room. You'll see some wonderful space that we've done in this large closet. Previously, I had desks and credenzas. I had things everywhere, and it was really unorganized. My mind was always cluttered, and I really couldn't find things easily. So as a way of bringing sort of calm into my life was through this organizational structure that we've created. This is my office and workspace now. Everything comes completely out to me. At the pull of a slight tug with my fingertips, it's very easy to do. Our rails are fully extending and they carry 100 pounds worth of weight. So these will not get maxed out. It's really important that everything comes completely out too. It's very, very easy. So where I had before lots of piling on the desk, I now have my office in one area. I have all my craft items here where we've got the ornaments, we've got wrapping, and again, I'm able to lay things on their side and no more stacking, no more getting frustrated trying to find items. So it's such a sense of peace and calm in my room now. I can think straight, I can work, and I can craft very easily.